Alright, I'm live. Oh, my music display. Fuck, I forgot to turn on my music display. Please tell me this. I'm gonna cry if I have to close OBS and reopen it for this to work. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
Did I stream Portal?
Hold on. Can I remove this and then undo that and then bring it back? No, dude, it's pissed. Yay!
Halo 3 All Skulls. Yeah, play on Legendary.
There we go. Okay.
Be kind of fire.
So I'm actually so sad that I played Portal 2 co-op, and I kind of wish I never did, because I think that doing a Portal 2 co-op stream with you would have been fucking hilarious, because watching you and Moaz play it was like one of the most unbelievable things of all time. Like, genuinely.
It wasn't that bad.
It was pretty bad. Alright, let me show you the changes that I made really quickly. It's something simple, and it's something that's hard to see because it's like behind the scenes stuff, but debug messages help, so. Alright, can you see my screen? Are you looking at my screen?
Yeah, unfortunately.
So if I press Q right now, nothing happens. Oh, actually, there's a little, I get a little push because I was talking to Wilson about something last night. Sorry, oopsies.
JW, you should show your cool new commander deck on stream. You're right, I should.
That's so true. Anyways, so if I add a card, AK, if we remember, AK has scaling of lightning and fire. Yeah, okay, so that was just something is weird there, actually. What the fuck? Oh, let me clear my deck. And then press Q. So why did that not? No, dude. Don't make me out to be a liar on stream. Fuck, I thought I fixed this. What?
It's over.
Where are you getting this from? What the hell? Wait, I actually don't understand where it's getting that from. Fork Fountain Kitchen? I'd say the ocean personally, but yeah, no, that's true.
Oh, here, let me pull up your stream chat. I'll have. I'm gonna break the.
Whoa, this looks weird with the new UI, actually. I haven't been in here since I pulled your UI changes. It's kind of fun and cool, though.
What is the? Oh yeah, that. Yeah, there's some weird stuff, but it's definitely better.
It's panels inside panels.
Yeah.
Oh shit, let me unbind that. Unbind. And then if I clear the deck. So physical stats 0 if I add AK. So lightning stats 1, physical fire stats 1 if I clear my deck. Hopefully, there we go, it's 0 and 0 if I add AK, Op, and Beehive, which are fire, lightning, fire, and poison. Boom, you can see that it adds those up. And then if I add pistol or rusty pistol, which is physical, you can see that it adds 1 physical. Apparently there's a bug that I don't know where the fuck that's coming from, but
okay,
I'll figure it out probably, potentially.
And is that that's like that's the affinity, right? That's
yes.
Separate from the damage.
Yep.
Okay.
And so that is actually defined inside of the cards now, which is what I'm going to push up, which is why I told you to push up your changes earlier, is because under elemental scaling, there is also the elemental types. And so I could set this to a different value here if I wanted to.
Okay.
If you ever wanted to have multiple of that, like if I add a new AK, this should make my lightning go up by 2. Right now it's 1. It didn't. Why?
You might have to restart, right?
I might, yeah. I didn't think I would have to because it's a dictionary that's already defined, but I guess I do.
Probably.
Yeah, I don't know. Also, yeah, you're never living that down. Sorry.
Saying, I started playing Magic tonight, even though I told Axel I was gonna play Gamble with your friends.
You're like kind of evil. Talking to you is a gamble on whether or not you're gonna have a good time. Odds are 99 to 1 that you won't.
Okay. Bro.
Yeah, there we go. It's 2 lightning, 1 fire, which is what's scaled here. Which I'll push this up in a second. Was there something else that I did? Miscellaneous testing for stuff. There's an issue which I'm actually gonna write down because it's a mostly tiny issue probably.
Do the items have types or is it just the cards right now?
They do not have types currently, but I'll add that.
Okay, that's fine.
with it. Oh wait, actually, no, they do. Sorry, you keep saying item, and for some reason that didn't hit my mind correctly. They do have types. It won't affect your affinity. I'll fix the affinity, and then I'll
Okay.
do that. Let me make today's to-do list. Today is June 2nd. Happy Pride Month. The 2nd, everybody. Pride 2nd.
Meow.
And then small bugs. Menu to game to menu to game. Buzzes. Tiniest memory leak. Now, I actually don't know where that's coming from, but I'll just show you this for completeness sake. So currently the game has 2469 nodes, 14701 objects, resources, but you don't need to know the exact numbers. But basically these are the numbers and the graph. So if I go to the main menu and then back to the level and then back to the menu, back to the level, I'll wait a few seconds this time. Back to the menu and then back to the level. Effectively, every time it goes from the level to the menu back to the level, there's like the smallest increase in resources. Or not resources. Resources are the same, but there's the smallest increase in objects. And I'll need to figure out where that's coming from. I think I have an idea of it. I'm pretty sure I know where it's coming from. And I'll actually just write down that probably navigation objects. They need to be cleaned up, probably. But it's like, it's such a minuscule amount. It's like reloading the main scene like 4 times, added like 50 objects. So it's nothing out of the 14,000. But worth mentioning. Alright, let me go to the item class. It's item resource. That's not right. Relic resource, which turns into relic instance. And here's the one that I care about. Do we want it to be so that, I'm assuming the answer is yes. If Zoomies gives you lightning affinity, if you have 2 Zoomies, it gives you 2 lightning affinity.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. From relic, add level, modify level.
Can you turn on shared chat, by the way?
Oh yeah. You could also click the button, can't you?
No, I literally can't. I don't
Oh,
think.
you
I'm
really
pretty sure
can't?
only the person hosting can.
Is there a way for me to make you like
Nope, you can't. Nope, there's no way to.
higher?
Sorry.
Yeah, probably not.
What's Twitch? Do you really think you can like do anything?
Can you do me a favor? Can you look at the stream or the shared chat window? Are you able to enable it now?
Where would I do that?
Like the shared chat that you joined on twitch.tv/.
Oh, the shared chat window. Oh, that's what you. Yeah, you said shared chat window. Yeah. Where do I?
Hit Control R to refresh the page first before you try to do anything.
Control R.
Yeah. It looks like this on my It looks like this on my screen. There's a start sharing chat button. I don't know if this is like hidden by default.
Where? No, I don't see it. Oh wait. I see shared chat. Hosts can enable shared chat.
Just hosts. Damn. I also found something really cool.
I'll never be able to do it.
Yeah, I enabled it, but I saw something really cool, which was if I take a look at mod actions, I can see all of the shared chat being enabled in here.
That's very funny.
Yeah. All right. So relics, getting levels. I actually don't remember the exact flow of what functions are called and where in relics. Okay, not that one. It is called here. Do I have to do... I don't remember if I have to do commas for a set function in... I think I do. I don't remember the syntax for a setter function in Godot. It's weird and embarrassing. How the fuck do you do a set function in Godot again? Is it not just set val? It totally is. Is it because I need like a... Hold on, I need to go look at the getters and setters syntax then. Because I don't know how to define a multiple, like a getter and setter.
I'm drinking Baja Blast. Sorry.
No, it's okay, mostly. Ah, I see. The setter and getter must use the same notation. That's unfortunate. Ah, man. So I can't do something like set levels used differently than the thing. Stop drinking Booty Blast.
But it's so yummy.
You would say that. Hey, am I like smoking crack? Is this not how this works? Hmm? What? It's like that works. Okay, I guess GGScript is just pissed about something for some reason. Whatever. Who cares? Okay, so that actually doesn't get called the second that the level gets, or that the thing gets created. Is there a... Oh, I guess I would do this inside of base relic, actually, right? I would do this in here. Which would be something like... apply stats or something like that. Okay, that gets called correctly. That's beautiful. Which means the update level can also have... What are you attempting to do? JW?
What?
What are you attempting
let
to
me
do
cook.
right now?
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Let me cook.
Okay, sure.
Don't
I'll
let me
you
cook.
Let's see. So I can get... so one of the new classes that you'll maybe want to care about
Oop,
is...
why did it switch me back to my other
Oh,
site?
lol.
There we go.
One of the new classes you're probably going to want to care about is the Stat Affinity class.
Stat Affinity class. Okay.
Yeah, so what this does is it just has a list of the affinities, and you can do something like...
Yeah, it doesn't look great.
affinities dot get affinity level, and you can pass in something like fire stat here, and it will return the level of the player's affinity with it, or whatever
Okay, cool.
this is attached to.
Mm-hmm.
What are you trying to do? What do you need help with?
Wait.
Okay.
I think I realized something. Ah. Oh, I see something. Why is it doing that? Where do I go?
What do you need help with? What's the play?
I'm trying to add your sketchy outline thing to this number, but it's not working. I can just use like the built-in outline and it'll look bad.
What did I even do with? I don't remember what I did to make the. I think the reason that it's probably not working is because I only have the sketchy outline doing the thing in ready.
Oh, do you?
Maybe not. I don't fucking know. No, finished is a signal that's part of text. That means every time it gets updated, it'll re-render.
Oh, so this doesn't actually do anything currently.
No, it does.
Does it? Oh, is this in? Oh, this is part of rich text label. Oh, okay,
Yes.
I see.
Yep,
Okay.
that is called every single time that it gets re-rendered.
Yeah. I think the weird thing with this. Let me zoom.
It's probably the fact that that text label size thing was set
Nice.
specifically. Nice. Yeah, specifically for.
Yeah.
The card. You hit the debug camera button.
Yeah. See, it's
Yes,
doing
there
weird
is a
stuff.
label. It's just like small, I think.
Yeah.
It's also.
Yeah, because now the text is going. It's doing weird stuff.
Oh, it wasn't a smart label before. So go to the scene and set the max
Yeah.
size to larger.
Oh, the max size to larger.
Oh, yeah. Does it say
512?
minus
It says
512 or what does it
520.
say?
That's 512.
Oh. Change the size of I don't know, something like 256 or some shit. I don't know.
This
Yeah.
max size.
Set the min size to like, I don't know, a little bit larger, I guess. Like 64 maybe. Yeah, that's fine.
That's not gonna update, is it?
It might.
Nah,
It sure doesn't. Oh, you know what? It's. Can you. Is any of the text rendering correctly?
It's rendering. It's just like behind there, and it's weird. So if you look really closely,
Yeah, I can see that there's an outline,
this
but
one is like
there's nothing
vertical,
actually
but there's like
rendering.
an outline in the background.
It's not actually rendering too wide anywhere, is it? Like the outline isn't, neither is the text in the front.
It's not what?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'm trying. Well, I didn't hear what you said.
None of that is rendering too wide, is it?
rendering too wide.
Like
No.
2 numbers side to side. They're like the outline isn't rendering too wide. They're both, the outline and the white is rendering completely vertically, right?
The outline does look slightly wider.
Yeah, that's because it should be offset.
But not by a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say don't worry about it. I can make something that's better if we want to use that in other places.
I'd say make something better, and I can just use the other outline for right now.
Yeah.
Because that looks fine when it's small enough resolution.
Hey Bond, how's it going? Progress is going well. We've changed, we're doing some scaling stuff now instead of just like numbers that exist on the weapons, so that we have stats that will actually scale the damage of certain weapons. Relics will add certain stats to you, like elemental stuff. Is this to what?
Oh, that's really funny. It cuts that off if the size is too small.
Okay, I will actually have to reload this. That sucks. Whatever. Dude, it's so fucking hot. I hate it. It's gross. Gross out. Why is this not... Am I going insane? Or like... Oh, ammo can doesn't... What? Why the fuck not? Ammo can? Ammo bag? Ammo can?
What are you looking for?
I don't think this is the right function. This is used in a couple of places that probably shouldn't be.
Meow.
So I think we have a better function for this, right? We have, yeah, on level changed is the one that should be used.
Yeah,
Sorry,
that's fine.
there's a message in my chat that I have to mentally prepare myself for. That I'll have to read it in a second. I don't even think my brain is ready to comprehend the words that have been thrown at me.
It's over for you.
Okay, that looks like that works. Okay, so physical stats 1 if I add another ammo can, physical stats 2 if I remove ammo can, physical stats 0. Yay. Okay, Alright, sorry, that title is sure a title. It is. Haven't been best, but trying to maintain yourself and keep doing some stuff. Some ways better, some ways worse. Life is crazy. Yeah, life is fucking insane how much things just change so quickly. Like the last couple months have been a little bit calmer than I expected, because I think the months before that were like really busy. Like especially the month that JW, or like whenever JW and I went to PAX. But yeah, are you a Jonah of VeggieTales movie Ninevite bit? I don't... Alright, let's look up some words. Okay, so what is Ninevite again? It's some, like, religious thing, right?
I mean, I think so.
Actually, you should know. What's a Ninevite? It's
I
a
don't
native
know.
or inhabitant of Nineveh, the ancient capital of Assyria. Okay, sure. Glad that sent me actually dictionary.com instead of some AI bullshit. Okay. Jonah, a VeggieTales movie. I've actually never watched VeggieTales.
That's crazy.
Is it crazy? Have you watched VeggieTales?
Nah, it's not that crazy. Of course I have.
Of course you have. I showed you that at conversion camp.
Alright.
Let's see. Alright, so that works. And then I can do player.gd.
VeggieTales is low-key kind of fire.
Alright, buddy. You're not convincing me.
You don't like animated vegetables?
No, I don't like animated
Okay.
vegetables. In Jonah,
That's
a
fair,
VeggieTales
that's fair.
movie, the Ninevites slap each other with
Each their
fishes
own.
instead of like murdering each other. Holy shit. So you're telling me they represented like the Crusades with slapping each other with fish? Holy shit. Okay, I may be wrong, JW. Maybe this is goated.
It's like kind of
I-
hilarious.
Again, I don't believe you, but I'm glad you feel that way. Alright, time
To
for
be
me.
fair, I haven't seen any of it either in like probably like 10 years, so it might suck.
Not their Crusades, bro. This is like way earlier. I don't fucking know, man. It's been like many years since I've opened a Bible. I ain't be reading that.
This guy has 65 fire on him.
Wogue. Did you update any? Never mind. If you updated it, I'll find out. The thing will tell me. It'll be like, there are merge conflicts. How do you want to resolve this
Apparently
conflict
it
with this
has
PNG?
120 fire, but it still says that I only have 95 TPS. How interesting. Oh, I also added a toggle for like casings on the guns now, so since this one doesn't have them, obviously.
Yeah. You're finally getting really good at 3D modeling furries, but your drawing skills need to catch up a lot. I'm happy for you, man.
Oh, AI viewers, AI viewers.
Oh, is there an AI viewers message? Oh my god, dude.
Get him.
AI viewers is so lame. I can't even ban them because you deleted their message, so I have to type in /ban with their fucking username. Join Twitch today? What do you mean join Twitch today?
I didn't delete their message, I just banned them.
Yeah, it deletes their message. But no, it fucking logged me out of Twitch on my fucking OBS. Bastard. Bastard program. It's a bastard website.
See how we can move the DPS on us.
Alright, I'll fix that.
What if we do this multi-shot? Hold up.
Okay. Fuck it, I'll push these up, who cares? Anything in here that needs to be cleaned up? The answer is no. Anything in here that needs to be cleaned up? The answer might be a yes, but I think the answer is no. Looks like a no to me. 3D furry Metroidvania gonna go hard, man. I'm sure it will. I don't doubt that. I'm sure that people will be all over that shit. Let's see. Default multiplier 0. What? Oh, that's probably right. Card instance has this affinity thing on it now. Yep, correct.
2000 DPS.
These are correct. Base stat now has a stat icon. Yup. What the fuck is in here? Oh yeah, the code change. Yeah. Okay. Tiniest movement driver change, and we'll see if you bitch about it. You might not. I don't know. We'll find out. I'm not gonna tell you what it is, so that if you run into it.
We need to make like a gun that you can like shoot yourself around with. That like shoots really fast.
Yeah, you've talked
And
about
as you're
this
like
before.
running along. What?
You've talked about this before.
Did I?
Yeah, like the one from Gungeon. I don't remember what it is, but it's like a big gun that whenever you shoot it, like flies you backwards, and it shoots hella fast.
Maybe it was that one, yeah. There's that one gun in Genshin that's like not really a gun where it just shoots like a little flame and like sends you flying. It's basically just like a rocket engine.
It might be that, but I think that there's a gun
I hate that
does
one so much because it's so hard to get near. Like it does a ridiculous amount of damage, but it's impossible to hit anything with it.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
Maybe.
Maybe. Let's just say. Sorry.
Oh, I forgot to send out my stream announcement. There's my stream announcement, guys. There's 2 more bots in my chat.
Where? What chat?
My
Hmm?
Oh no, it's just 2 messages from the same one in Twitch chat.
Where? When? Oh, is it?
In my chat?
Oh, it was.
They're in my
just
chat.
restricted. I see.
They're literally in my chat right
Yeah,
now.
it's restricted though, so it didn't show up as like an
Yeah.
actual message.
Yeah, but they're in my chat.
No, they're not. They weren't allowed to be in your chat. There's a notification for it in your chat, but they aren't in your chat.
They're in my chat.
Oh god, I forgot about this. I'll not touch this card. No, don't commit that. Don't commit that. Don't commit that. I'm sure you've touched that. I'm sure you've added something, and I want to go back and fix it after it's been mangled to shit.
Wait, what are you? What?
The card composite, where you're adding the icons.
Yeah,
And you have an if check for every icon
Don't worry
type.
about it.
And you're like incrementing a number or something.
Yeah.
Still get image string. I don't remember what that was for. Oh yeah, no, I do remember what that was for. It's the scaling that's in here that I added that I forgot was here. Player data. This is the default. Dissolve shader has no change. Dissolve has no change. Pack open has some change, but doesn't matter. This does matter. Actually, I will push this up. It doesn't matter because it's not being used anywhere. This all of the changes that matter. I think it is. All right. Bunch of elemental typing and affinity. I'm gonna commit it, and then it's gonna bitch, and it's gonna be like, there are unresolved merge conflicts. There's no fucking way there are no merge conflicts. There's no fucking way. Holy. Really? Oh my god. There are no merge conflicts. I didn't close Godot though, so it's gonna be a little upset, and I'm gonna have to restart it. But what? It is only slightly upset? I will still have to restart it, probably. Might as well. I gotta be right about something. Alright, sorry, let me catch up. Recently learned how to make your own state machines. Got so good at sculpting, you can make a block out in a day, and it takes 2 days to finalize each model down with animation, ABR, and procedural materials and stuff. Honestly, the procedural stuff is like probably the thing that I care about the most in Blender. I think like geometry nodes and like really cool shader things are so fun to work with in Blender. Currently learning about behavior trees, but again, don't want to complicate enemy AI because it's not worth it. That's true. You probably don't want that in a Metroidvania either, unless it's maybe the boss, but honestly, no. I think the boss should just be like telegraphed, and instead of making it like a complicated AI, make it a simple AI, but you know, I don't know. I don't actually know how to describe the feeling that I have of like, you should just make it, you can make it like hard and unforgiving, but it shouldn't be like a complicated AI. But yeah, implemented movement abilities, quality of life stuff to make it smooth. Fire. How long have you been working on it? And what's the end goal? Are you're like make a Metroidvania, or is there something specific that you're like, I want to do this as a Metroidvania, I want to make this thing? Cards usable. AC 47. Did you change anything about this? I hope not.
Did I change what?
Nothing, don't worry about it. I got it.
Okay, I'm not worried about it.
I'm gonna go through before you pull changes, and I'm going to press the button in here that copies all of the damage scalings over to the elemental types, so that
You have a button for that?
Yep, I just made a button so that if there are damage scalings and you just want to copy them over to elemental types, you press it and it automatically adds it with a 1.0 value. So like you added needle gun, but you didn't have this dictionary wasn't populated. So if you look, I can click copy scaling the types, and now it has poison stat with a affinity of 1.
Kind of fire. Yeah, I'll probably go through and remove like all the secondary ones, because I think it'll be very rare for them to have 2 types. They might scale off of 2 things, but
yeah. Can I search for copy? Oh my god, I can. I can do copy scaling, and I can go just like bonk bonk, bonk bonk, bonk bonk. I don't think I can press this button on multiple of these now. That sucks, but whatever. I wonder if resource tables allows me to press the button. That would actually be really cool, which is why I don't think it's gonna happen. No, it doesn't look like it. Tragic. I could also make like a... I mean, not that we're going to be doing this super often. Honestly, I was going to say I could just make like a thing that goes through and just runs that function on all of them, but this is probably just a one-off thing that won't need to happen more than this because it's being added.
Yeah.
All right, so let's see how much change that is. There are like... Oh, really? Okay, so there are certain ones that just didn't have any types before, and now they do. Hooray. All right. Automatic elemental typing. Yay. All right, and I'll push this up. And you are good to pull. So that stuff should be in there.
Yay!
Yippee. All right, let me close all tabs, close all scripts, and then I will look at your messages, Bond. All right. Got ladders, dashing while running, while jumping. Water, climbing up ledges, and experimental bounce jump, which is just if you fall down from high enough and land, holding jump input, you bounce back up with higher jump. So far, it's been a month. You've been liking the vibe of Metroid a ton. You felt it could use nicer movement mechanics and be more dynamic. Have you played Ori and the Blind Forest? Because if you haven't, you totally should. Or at least you should, I don't know, watch something of it. Watch someone play it. Because that game is one of my favorite Metroidvanias, for sure.
And this guy hates Metroidvanias.
That's not true. I don't know where that one came from.
Yeah, you've literally told me that you hate them, but okay.
Name one Metroidvania that I hate.
Hollow Knight?
Not a Metroidvania.
It is.
Nope.
What is it then? It literally is. So we're just making stuff up now.
It's a game where you get lost. And that's it.
Alright.
That's it. That's all it is. Oh, you can probably accept just yours on that one. It looks like I guess you pushed... Oh, wait, what?
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
It's fine. I can fix whatever it was.
Yeah.
I think it was just the elemental something.
Yeah, for the SMG. Because I think it had all of the types on it whenever I committed it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so where do we want to handle like as you increase the affinity, it like gives you buffs. Where should we handle that?
Let me get a blanket really quickly because it's now a little bit cold.
Bro need his blankie.
Okay, sorry. So whenever you increase your affinity, it gives you buffs. Yeah. I believe that, excuse me, that would probably be best to be handled either in player data or player stats, which I can do. So player data has a register player function, which creates a stats thing, and then inside of stats know about, what the hell is this? Stat instance.
Oh, I see. When you added the elemental scaling, it added like all of them.
What do you mean it added all of them?
I think. Wait, no. The elemental scaling I want to add poison. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, for the types, right?
Yeah, because before you copied it over, and I think on your end it had
it had like
a bunch of types on it. Yeah, which it no longer have.
And what is that for? Is that SMG?
Yeah.
Can I ask why SMG is poison, not lightning?
Because I'm like really stupid.
That's okay. I was
And I
curious.
clicked on the wrong one.
Let's see. Just today alone, you added 2 new projectile upgrade levels that you build projectile trajectory stacks.
I can use the resource tables for this.
You can combine those to make a projectile. Good luck. You can combine those to make a projectile go in a spiral trajectory while affected by gravity. That's cool. What are you using the resource tables add-on for? Just curious.
For changing the damage scaling. Oh.
No, you aren't.
Okay, yeah, it's a little annoying.
Yeah, it's because it's a dictionary of the script, like type.
Yeah.
But you can
I need
search.
a new mouse. The
Huh.
scroll wheel does not work very well.
Yeah, you can favorite the property.
You can favorite the property?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. What does that do?
Oh, that weird. Maybe it doesn't work on custom properties actually. What the fuck? Wait, hold on.
Oh, wait.
Oh, I guess it doesn't. Oh yeah, I can't favorite invalid property if it was from a script. Oh, I see. You could also just search at the thing. You could do like scaling, and then that'll only show the thing.
Oh, yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, only somewhat. Yeah, I mean it may be worth it to make these a little bit more. What is the word I'm looking for? What'd you say?
AK is lightning and fire. I thought it was supposed to be physical and fire.
I don't think so. It was always lightning and fire on my end, I think. It may have been that I like overwrote the number or the thing with lightning fire.
You might have, that's fine. It will be fire type.
Holy shit. I need to take a screenshot of this so that you can see it as well. I looked over on my left monitor. This is your Discord screen share.
What? Why does it look like that?
Because you have terrible internet.
No, I don't.
This was your Discord screen share just a second ago.
Don't be mean to my internet.
The Discord screen isn't moving. Like, there's nothing big moving on your screen. There's no reason for it to go shit mode, but it went shit mode.
Well, there's nothing I can do about it. So.
Yeah. So one thing that I was like, maybe I could do is I could maybe serialize this a little bit better so that.
Is that like like Magic together and like I can serialize cards? Like...
Why the fuck do you know about serialized cards? Oh my god, you need to be stopped, I think.
Sorry.
No, it's not like serialized cards.
Why is the possible mod 6-7 on this one? That's kind of fire.
It's because the bits for 64, 1 and 2 are set. Which is bits 1, 2, and...
It's kind of fire.
8? Let me see. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Bit 7. It's 7, 2, and 1. I have not used the behave add-on. I don't know how it is. It doesn't matter. But your screen share went back to shit for a second, which was very cool. Behave.
That is very cool.
Behavior tree AI for Godot engine. Maybe I have seen this actually. What was the other one? Oh my god, there was a... If I look up behavior tree... It might have been behavior, or behave. Limbo AI, that was the other one. This is the other one that I've heard of that people have recommended. Which does a whole lot of behavior tree and state machine stuff. I really hate... I hate that my first thought whenever I'm seeing these names, because it mentions AI, is I'm like, people might see this and think that it's like generative AI, which pisses me off. Because there's even a chance that they could ever missee it as that. It's so sad. I wish that we didn't have the word AI for generative whatever bullshit.
Yeah.
Wait, artificial intelligence isn't made to describe the product. It's made to describe the fucking customers who use things like ChatGPT. Wait a minute. That actually makes a lot more sense now. Okay, so what did you need from me? You wanted me to do the stat increases or something? Or was there something with UI? Was there something with...
So, yes, that was one thing. The things that I'd written down were elemental types on items,
that's in.
and then damage types on hit. So if a card is a certain elemental type,
Yeah.
its attacks will have that elemental type.
I see. Yeah.
So that way we can do like on elemental type hit.
So the items currently have elemental types. The only one that has one... Also, if, I guess... I was going to say if you press Q, but that's not true anymore. The relics do have elemental types on them, if you want to do something with that.
Okay.
So, the same way that the cards do. So, like, if you were to go to, like...
Yeah.
Ammo bag or whatever, like relic ammo bag.
Yeah. The other cool thing is I really like how the tags like in just the right spot that you can just see all of them.
It is really nice, yeah.
So it's like, oh, I want to... I mean, obviously here it's a little difficult, but like it's pretty easy to tell what you have.
Yeah. Even when I shake this soggy croissant, you don't know why. Cuteness aggression or something. So let me go ahead.
Whatever the opposite of that is.
Yeah, alright, bud. So if I go to attack, how do we want to do this? I'm thinking. We have attack type in here for some reason. I don't 100% remember why.
That's from a long time ago. That is outdated. And
no, this enum that I added.
Is that new?
Yeah, this is a new
Okay.
one. I wonder if I could get a Git flame add-on. That'd be fucking sick. Tragic. I also really wish that Git, or I wish the plugins could be like client-sided, because we have editor plugin support, I'm pretty sure. Like inside of here we have like the config for Godot stuff. Like I'm fairly certain you could put plugins here. I just don't know why we don't. Editor data folder, mayhaps. Or no, this is the one. Yeah. Somewhere.
There we go. Now cards only have one type.
Oh, I just closed the fucking thing. What'd you say?
Oh, why does auto turret not have one? What's that?
Why does auto
These all now
not have
only.
one?
Because I must have broken something accidentally.
I don't understand how. Wait, what? Laser pointer doesn't either. The eye. Wait, no. Laser pointer doesn't. Neither does the SMG. It's pulling from damage scaling still, I think, right?
No, it's not. I literally just changed that.
You
That's
just
what I
changed
changed.
it, lol.
Maybe I forgot to change one of them or something. That should be fine. I'm guessing I just messed up something like in their resources. So what was it? SMG. I don't know which one's which. I mean, these all look fine.
I mean, just like it's Control B for SMG, brother. That's like way faster than.
Oh, SMG card. I mean, yeah, it has elemental.
Oh,
has
you know
lightning.
what? I'm gonna do something.
But not all. It's only some of them that don't have lightning, which is weird.
Are there ones with? Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah.
That's the plugin error.
Yeah, I assume so.
Can you go to the?
AK was the other broken one.
How about
This is fire stat.
Is it because you haven't reopened the game since you changed it? Like
I'm
types?
pretty sure I did.
Try yeah, try relaunching the game and see if that fixes it. If not, just add one.
I thought
and
I
see
did,
if it's
but okay, I
always
didn't.
like hard SMG.
Yeah.
Card menu, or no, is it called deck menu? Deck debug, card debug, cards debug. There you are. I found you. Nope, I didn't. I lied. Debug menu.tskin.
Well, let's hop on tabletop. Oh, there we go. Now, oh no, AK's showing up.
AK has fire.
Oh, it's auto turret. That wasn't. Yeah.
Yeah.
See if I add an auto turret. Yeah, it doesn't have a type on there. Let's see you. It has lightning stat and
Does it?
yes.
Oh, okay. I'm going off of what I see here, and it's a little hard to tell what the error is. I won't lie to you.
From where? Huh?
If you look at my screen, I'm trying to look for the error on your screen, and it's very hard to see.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I think so.
This is lightning stat, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Lightning stat has lightning. Elemental type stat has lightning stat. Yes.
So do me here. Let's do this. Do this the smart way. Go back to the game. Shift R CC. All right. Close the menu. Or I guess you could also add card, add auto turret. Close that. Don't open the pause menu. Go to the thing and add a breakpoint.
Here?
Like scroll up where it's checking for lightning stat. Or like literally
right
anywhere
here.
in there. Literally anywhere there's one. It'll stop on all
Like
of them.
here?
No, not there, because we know it's not hitting that if check.
You said literally anywhere.
Yeah,
so-
literally any of the if checks. Like, on a line that has code, preferably. I guess I shouldn't have said literally anywhere.
You
thought
said
would've picked
literally
any of the
anywhere. I
better
don't know.
spots. Okay.
I
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
know
it's
where
fine.
I'm
Okay, so
supposed
go
to
ahead
put
and
it.
pause the game, and it should hit breakpoint. All right, so
Mhm.
before you do anything, so we are currently about to update things shown. So if you go ahead and find the variable instance inside of the members, whatever, or yeah, you could also use the search thing to look for instance.
Instance.
Yeah,
Here.
found it. Yep, click on that, and then go to the card field, which should be probably somewhere in there. Okay. Yes, it does.
It right here.
So go ahead and go to the. I'm gonna put you on screen. Go to the evaluator tab in the debugger. Yep. And then go ahead and copy the instance.bard.elemental types. Like the code that where your breakpoint is.
Oh.
Yep. All of that up to has. Yeah, and then just remove the has because I meant like, yeah.
Oh.
And then hit enter and see what it does. Hopefully it doesn't continue executing. It did. Cool. Can you go back to the evaluator? Did it show anything cool? No? Okay. Well, I can't see your screen now. Shit. Okay, so let's go ahead and you can go ahead and hit continue, so never mind. We can do this the other way, which is probably the better way. So if you... What the fuck?
This is broken now.
Yeah, it's because it's, I need to get rid of that. It's a class that's not being used. You can probably just restart the game. And then, instead of a breakpoint, you could probably just console.print the elemental types from the card. Alright. Sorry, let me look at chat. Sorry to ask about not the game. No problem. Are you on Gnome right now? So I don't have a problem with you asking things not about the game. I do have problems with you asking about Gnome. I'm not on Gnome. I hate Gnome. Thanks for asking. I'm just kidding. I am not on Gnome. I do not like Gnome. I think Gnome is decent. Like, I mean, I think Gnome works for game dev. I have a friend who likes Gnome, and they haven't reported any issues with it. I think Godot works with it. I'm personally on KDE Plasma, and I think it is
hates Gnome, by the way.
very good. What? What did you say, JW?
I said this guy hates Gnome, by the way. Why is this not printing?
This is true.
It's just not printing to the console.
Do you have any cards that are in your inventory currently?
Yeah. Oh, now it is. Oh, I guess I didn't save it, maybe.
Yeah. So like clear all of them, or like clear your
Yeah.
deck and then just one. At least you're properly prototyping this time around. Great rocks. That's fun. Honestly, if you have a game where you can run around in the, everybody says this, but if you can just like run around and just like move, that's very fun. Like just in like an empty level like this, I have fun just jumping up here onto the cat tree. Sorry, what'd you say, JW?
I'm so confused. So when I open it, it says lightning, physical,
Who is
physical,
that?
and doom.
And
then when I click on it,
add a
it's
self
empty.
to the thing.
No,
Oh no, I know where that is. Never mind. That's fine. That's the other page.
What? Oh yeah.
Yeah. So whenever you click on it,
Self.
So what's happening whenever you're clicking on it is it's re-rendering that card on the right side of the page, which is why when you click on it,
Wait,
it
did you
shows
say
you what
self?
it currently has.
Do you say this one?
No, it's fine. You can get rid of that. I was gonna say self
Oh.
comma so that you can see what card is printing its types.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, that means that it sees that it has no types, which is weird. And I don't get it. Let me see if it... You know what? I could just do this on my side and see if it's broken. It's not. I don't know what you did. What does yours look like? What? Can you...
Wait. What are you printing out?
I'm not printing out shit. I just have the thing on my... Oh, actually, I didn't... You changed that.
Yeah, that's because that's pulling it from the scaling, not from the elemental types.
So what'd you do to change this? Did you...
I literally just
You just
changed
control
where
D
it says
this?
damage scaling to elemental type.
Okay.
So yeah, you could just print elemental type just there. If you could literally just do the same thing where you print instance that card dot elemental types to see if it's doing the same thing. I'll shoot my needle gun while I wait.
So you're just printing out, right? You're just doing card dot elemental types.
Yep.
Lol. That's fun. Mine works.
Okay.
Can you go to your... Do you have a VS Code open?
No.
That's okay. Go to
Why
Godot.
would I have that open?
Go to Godot.
Mm-hmm.
Go to your auto turret card thing. And then can you open it in the external editor? I believe the top button up there, like under where it says inspector, one of those top buttons should be show in file system. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you can right click and open external. All right. So if you go to the elemental types, what you got? Nothing.
Nothing. It's just not there.
How you got nothing?
There's literally nothing.
Go back to the editor.
Maybe I
don't know why you closed
No,
Visual
I don't need to
Studio Code.
reload it.
Yeah, I don't.
It has.
Weird. Just press the button. Press the button. Or maybe did you restart the project after pulling the changes?
That's weird.
It is weird.
When I reset it, it goes back to lighting set.
Yeah. Did you reopen the project once you pulled the changes?
Yeah. I mean, I can try it again.
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Just reload it.
All right. Let me add attack
It's just really weird. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. You're still concerned how well you do with environments. You plan on practicing that soon and get good. And get good. I think that was the response to something I said, maybe. Another tough thing to figure out could be IK. I don't...
Speaking of, I wanna make some IK spiders that scurry around.
In this game?
Yeah.
Okay, so what you're
And
saying
by
is...
I want to make you do it.
IK spider it.
It could be fun. I don't know. We don't have to. But
Yeah. Oh, I should actually. Fuck. I should make this a little bit more safe because this might accidentally make it to production, and if it does, I don't want this to crash the game. It might there. I'm not sure.
yeah, that might be smart. Card
this
auto turret.
Backtrace. Returns.
Yeah, there we go. Now there's nothing in the elemental
Okay,
type
so
here, so
it
must
might have just
been
been like
bugged.
some caching thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Get okay. Well, does this return 0 or does this return an error? It might. I'm not sure. Alright, cool. So that should be at least null safe. So I want to add attack types because you mentioned attack types. Do we want that? Let me think for the right way to ask this. Do we want attack types to be a binary on and off, or do we want them to be this attack is X amount lightning?
It is just a binary on and
It's
off.
just a binary on and off. Okay.
Yes, 100%.
Promise.
Yes, I promise.
Okay. I don't know if I believe you, but that's okay. Either way, it wouldn't be actually that hard to change, but... Oh, actually, haha, I have something really cool that I would like to tell you about whenever you're done with your issues that get fixed hopefully soon. If you want to remove the console, you can hit tilde and it'll make it a small console.
No.
But, okay.
But ta-da, look, they all have a type except for slot machine, because slot machine is one type.
Crazy.
And they all only have one type.
Whoa. That's sick.
I do like the damage display over here.
Yeah. 0% lightning display damage.
Oh, which one was that?
Spray bottle.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
I forget what I said. Oh yeah, this is gonna add wet status effect.
Yeah. Okay, can you do me a favor? Because I want to show you something cool.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you go to the file called stat_affinity? Or I guess I could show this off to you as well. Never mind.
No, I'm doing it.
Okay, well, I'll go there anyways because I'm not sharing your screen, so I want to
Grrr.
talk about it. So, this file makes use of a new script type that is probably going to be used quite a bit more over the project, which is int property. As you can see, like on line 5, on line 8,
Okay.
int property. So if you take a look at that, it is basically the same as our base property class that we were using, except this one is specifically for ints.
Okay. that makes
There's
sense.
also a bool property, which is the same except it's boolean. And then the same as our base property from before, there's float property. So
Why is get name say return?
because if you ever want to make something have a name and you haven't made it a custom property thing, like it should be obvious that it doesn't have a name.
Yeah, it's fair.
Yeah. But yeah, so the stat affinities are actually a dictionary of they what is the word? They associate a stat type with an int property. So what happens is whenever you assign, like if you have a card that gives you fire affinity, it will grab your current affinities, which is this class, and then it will try to get your affinity for fire. If that doesn't exist, it will create a new int property, and one of the parameters, or I guess the only parameter in the constructor, is the default value. So this can be defined at like whenever we want. So like for example, if we wanted your default affinity to be 20, we could do that. And then it will add its own affinity to that via this. It also has the ability to remove itself from all stats. So like if a card has 8 affinities somehow, and then you get rid of the card, it can just say remove me from all of your stats, or you can say remove it from a specific affinity. And this will probably get used quite a bit throughout the project now. I'm actually a really big fan of it. It's already being used in one place, which is, I mean, other than a stat affinity, it was already used in the new effect system. So for example, fire... what was it? Is it player fire handler? Yes, maybe. Hold on. I don't remember where the fuck it is, actually. Lol. Full property. Here it is. So in the base effect handler, there is an isActive, which uses a bool property, which is just like if you're in a fire area, that would be set to true, so that if you have multiple overlapping fire areas, they will all be like, yeah, we're setting this to true. And then if you step out of them, one by one, they will go away. And then once there are none of them, it will be set to false.
That's smart, yeah.
Yeah. And then
I was
these
confused at first of like why the heck would a bool property be useful?
yeah, because it's like
But that does kind of make sense.
it's also set up in such a way that this bool property can be treated either by default, it's an OR across all of the booleans. So if any of them are true, then the output value is true. Or you can set it to all of them have to be true. So an AND. You can also set it that by default it's true, and if any of them are false, it's set to false, or you can set it so that all of them have to be false for it to be set to false. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So it's things like this I think are cool because it kind of lets us do a little bit more with the base property system without having to make each one of them a new class. Like we don't have to say, okay, this has to be a new class of this property type. We can say this, we just have an array of fucking int properties or bool properties or, you know, whatever. Just because we have so many things that can influence properties that I think having ways to interact with that on like a more macro level is very nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I just wanted to let you know about that.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add that to the attacks, which is just attack types. Are you okay with it calling it attack types? Would we rather call the attacks? Would you rather be called like elemental types or?
No, I think attack type is fine.
Okay. Well, it's gonna be attack types, but yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, what did I have on my list? Elemental types, and I have a damage type on hits. That's stuff for you. So what am I doing?
You wanted to do poison stuff at some point. I don't know if you want to do that now or.
Oh yeah, I wanted to add the poison stat. Sure, why not? Where is the fire, and where can I copy paste everything?
So, will poison be applied to players? And do you want it to behave differently?
Thinking.
He's thinking.
If it applied to the player, how would we want it to apply?
I don't know.
Maybe what could be interesting for the player is it could like tick up really slowly, but it doesn't go down until you like clear the room or something.
Maybe.
Or it just goes down really slowly.
I'm honestly not sure. I don't know what would make poison different for the player than fire. I think if we wanted it to be something that could apply to the player, it would have to be justifiably different, and I think something like that could be like reduces the damage of the player, or like it makes them sickly kind of thing, rather than just damages them. But I don't know. I don't know if we want to do something like that.
That's true. Yeah.
Attack types that has type.
So yeah, maybe not have it apply to the player.
Yeah.
Because the main thing with fire is like it's an effect that can go on the ground, so like the player kind of has to be able to get hit by it. I don't even know if poison would be something that you could like spread on the ground. At like poison pools or something.
Yeah, you might be able to. The only thing that's like, hold on. The only thing that I would think is maybe, why is this not? This should be bitching about something. The poison levels feel like they would have something in them that poisons either the player or does something with poison. So whenever we get around to adding enemies and attacks and things for that, I don't know if we would want to add some sort of
Maybe,
poison, something like that. I don't know.
Would that be
have no
hard
clue.
to add though?
Huh?
Like if we make the poison just apply to enemies, would it be very hard to make it also apply to player?
No.
Okay. Cool.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, because it would just be adding a separate handler for the player and checking a box and then handling it differently in the player's handler.
Mm-hmm.
There's like, I hate this fucking place.
Yeah.
I did want to make documentation on how the effect system works and how you can add your own effect stuff, but I'm sure you'll figure it out. Hopefully. We'll pray. Also, I'm sorry, Bond. I never said anything about what you said earlier, but the IK stuff in Godot is pretty well made, I think. JW might have a little bit more on that.
I had zero clue.
I thought that you did something with IK once.
Absolutely not.
Really? Okay, never mind then. I lied, apparently. Question, JW.
How do I... Oh, if I make this not player specific, I just put in the generic
Yep.
handler.
Yeah. Question for you, though. Do we want to just by default, like, let's say that you're shooting your needle gun. You would want the... Would you want the type to be pulled directly from the card? Like, without you having to say,
Yes.
like, add poison to this?
Yes.
Okay. Like, always. Like, like the op should always have a fire attack.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I believe so. That could
Okay.
potentially get weird with cards that have... If we end up having cards that have multiple types. I mean, I guess maybe it could have both, but I don't...
Yeah, I mean, that's why it's an array. 'Cause I thought
Oh,
that
it's
we
an array.
were-
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
that's probably fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, because it's
But it'll probably be rare for a thing to have multiple types.
yeah, well, I mean, I was thinking more like you could have maybe there's like a sticker that's like high rarity that you could just add and like add the scaling to it and add the type to it or whatever. I don't know.
That's a good idea, yeah.
There's also like maybe there's something that whenever you're attacking, there's a chance for it to turn your attack into fire and to like set fire to enemies or whatever. And I don't know if that would add the attack type of fire. Maybe it would.
I mean, not... I don't know.
He doesn't.
Sorry,
know.
I'm trying to
No, that's okay.
figure out what this
That's
is doing
fine.
at the same time. And I can't focus on one
Yeah, you're
thing at
good.
once.
That's
in
okay.
the first
I'll just
place.
I'll code this in the way that I am imagining real quick.
Yeah.
Because it should be not that bad.
No, I cannot focus today.
That's okay.
Well, not... Yeah.
It's not a
even
today
just
thing, I
today,
know.
just-
Don't worry.
yeah.
You didn't have to explain that one to me. I
Yeah.
I already heard that one in my head. Oh yeah, I need to finish my commander deck as well.
True.
You might regret it, to be honest. You might
Yeah,
regret asking
I
me.
might. That's okay.
I also need to buy more.
I had such bad draws last night.
Yeah, kinda.
That was kind of funny. It
Yeah, I need to
was
buy
a little
more
annoying, but
Bloomburrow,
like
by the way.
it was kind of funny after the fact. I do need to buy more Bloomburrows, but there's a lot of good cards for my Ashling deck in Bloomburrow. I honestly don't like the Bloomburrow lands that much. That's the only thing about it. They're like not my favorite.
I'm a big fan. Obviously, I've talked about how good I think they look.
Yeah, obviously.
Ball property. Dude, honestly, the funniest thing from last night was definitely Moaz pronouncing the word library different every fucking time it was said.
That
Or like
is
like
probably true.
I don't know what's so funny about it, but it was very funny. Oh shit. Wait. Oh, that's a really fun sound. Hold up, I have to pause my music because I need to turn this up and I need to hear this again. That was like really, really good. Oh shit, I don't have enough cards in my hand to be able to do that. JW, can you do me a favor? Sorry to break your concentration. Can you turn the audio on my stream real quick?
There is 0 concentration going on right now.
Let me know when you're...
It's on. Mm-hmm. That's really funny.
That's really good.
That is really good.
I'm a very big fan. It's so good.
Fire.
What's the fucking... Oh, the soul dispenser also makes like a permanent noise, right?
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah, it's here. Kind of fire.
Everything's better whenever it does the slow motion, honestly.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck, I can't slow motion that, can I? Because it's, I guess I could. I could just, like...
Ew.
I don't like that one. I don't like that one at all, actually. That one makes me feel not happy. That one makes me feel very bad.
Okay, I'm muting your stream.
Yeah.
Getting out of here.
That one made me feel terrible.
Yeah, a little bit. A little bit, like.
Hey. Yeah, that's true, actually.
So poison will always do the same amount of damage, correct?
Maybe, I don't know. Do we want it to? Probably.
I don't know. No, that's the idea. That's my idea. Is the stacks can get like really high with poison, but like it doesn't really do anything by itself. Like increasing the stacks doesn't increase the damage.
I wonder if we could have poison be one of those ones where it's like, you can get it up to like 50 stacks, and all it does is whenever it ticks down, it'll just like remove a stack once it hits 0, instead of like what fire does, where once a stack goes away, all of it goes away.
Yeah, that was my idea. Is it would like
unwraps
the
it.
stacks is how long it lasts, and then
I could do that. I'm not against it.
it only does one. So that way you try to get it as high as you can, and then trigger something that does something with however many stacks there are on it. Because that was kind of like the idea with like the needle gun, is it like shoots really fast, so you can apply a lot of poison, but it doesn't do a lot of damage.
Okay, so this is happening inside of the constructor. Nice. Gift card. I would also like to say attack types for punch. Yeah, fucking helper method. I have a helper method. Whoa, Foxin! The goat. Let me open up Twitch on my browser because Twitch logged me out on OBS. So I can do a shout out.
Is that the
Got this. I believe in you.
person?
Huh? The person?
Yeah, the 3D platformer person.
Yeah. He's making Whiskerwood
Yeah.
Vale. He's also just an entertaining person to watch. You should check him out at
Unlike
Foxin on
us.
Twitch. Also, hello, Quartio. It's very weird saying that name. And I don't know how to describe it other than I've heard people say the name Quartio when watching like TTT videos. And saying hello, Quartio is really weird. but it's very cool. That's the #1 marathon player in A. That's fucking sick. That might be real. Anyways, this is the game that we're working on. We're making stuff in Godot, same as Foxen.
Yeah.
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 Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I don't want to talk to this guy. He pisses me off. Oh, he hurts real bad.
What did I do? What?
Not you, the cat. The cat that goes like...
Oh.
But he's got like...
Oh. Okay.
Oh, I keep forgetting that
Like,
these guys are a
talking
thing.
Which guys? Oh yeah, I need to remove them. Sorry.
Oh, wait, there's a fourth one. I didn't even notice the little dickhead there. Is
yeah,
that Poobert?
it's Poobert.
Oh
Yeah, that's
my
Poobert.
god.
They didn't respond to my message though, so you can't like legally add them yet. So they don't exist legally.
Little cat with a gun. Yeah, dude, he's got some sick-ass gun skills.
Yeah.
Oh, you can even
I do need to
see
figure out. I might send them an email or something, but
Whenever I... Hold up.
or just add them and not tell them, and then they'll sue me later.
Wait, what? Oh, I turned off the music audio but not the display. Cards go here. They're a little hard to see. Because my dickhead thing was in the way. Turn this thing back on. We stream professionally around here. What was I doing? I was adding card attack types. Do these currently work? I need to add a new method called get damage or get elemental types. This will return, I believe this is still a float, right? Yeah, card dot elemental types. Let's see. You've been meaning to transition your engine knowledge towards Godot. You worked on a lot of arbitrary engines and use UE4, but you're a little behind the curve now. I mean, maybe. I don't think there's anything inherently wrong with still using UE4. I don't think, at least. I don't remember, what was the most recent game made using UE4? They still, I don't know. Their own rhythm game. Godot does have a lot of really good things for that. Like the audio server has a lot of really good stuff on it.
Speaking of, we still need to add dynamic music,
That's true, we do.
and also we need to talk to our composer
That's true.
at some point.
Oh, one
composing.
issue that Godot actually has that I'm kind of, I don't know about upset, is that inherently it doesn't have the ability to output audio to multiple audio devices that I found out about. It knows, it's able to get a list of your devices, your input devices and your output devices, and it can output to a device, but you can't have multiple device outputs, which is a little weird, but I think it's something to do with like the API at the like OS level of being like, hey dude, can I output to something else? Maybe we'll get it one day, but yeah, no, Godot definitely has a lot of things for rhythm game stuff. If you haven't tried Unity, I would also recommend Unity. I would also recommend Game Maker. But, you know, hopefully you end up going with Godot, because I think it's just a neat little engine that has a lot of really cool things on it. For card dot get damage. That's not how I write a for loop. For type in card dot get elemental types. Actually, let me extract this out to a variable because that'll make things a little easier. Card types. Yeah. Is this? Oh no, actually, sorry. You didn't want this to scale with anything. You just wanted this to be like whether or not it has the types. That's okay. So I can do elemental.
What the heck is poison accumulation time or fire accumulation time? Sorry, I renamed everything.
Give me a second. I'll add card types. So this should invalid argument for that. Card types not values because you need to be the stat type. Yeah. Okay, sir, what's your question?
What is accumulation time?
Accumulation time is the amount of time it takes for something standing in a source of fire to receive one full stack of fire.
Oh, because that applies to enemies as well.
Yes, I don't think that's actually, that code isn't run for players because players have their own handler.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I wouldn't need this.
I mean, unless you wanted enemies to get poison over time from like a puddle.
I mean, this is yeah. I'll keep that in then, just in case.
Yes.
Okay.
So tick
I
time
was wondering
is
what that was.
how often they take damage from the effect.
Yeah.
Drain time is how long it takes for them to lose the effect.
Which
thought there was a
is I
pause
want to get
period,
rid
but-
of. Well, this is on that enemy. I think only the player has the pause period. Yeah.
Oh, maybe. That might be right, yeah. So Godot has music time. Wait, what? Godot has music time, so you can do the whole playback percent times duration of the song for time in seconds, then BPM divided by 60 beats per second. Really? I know the audio server also has, is it not here? I believe we do. You can also do sample type stuff. This is maybe gonna be important at some point. Like you can have it play audio as sample rather than as
What is get ratio?
stream. Whereas
Sorry.
get ratio is for the display to show how much the icon should be filled up.
Oh, okay.
You can do the fire effect is set up in such a way so that the number is
It
something.
shows how much time is left on it. Yeah.
Almost.
I see what it's doing now. Yeah.
It's the fire effect is like if you have 5 stacks of fire and you're halfway to the next stack, it would be 5.5 as your value. So if you
No.
should
Yeah.
be?
No, I'm pretty sure it's how long the effect has until it runs out. On the enemies, it 100% is because that's what I'm removing the it running out over time.
Sorry, what is
And
the
it's
it running out over? Or what's the?
It's
what
fine.
is-
I got it. I know what it's doing, and I just wanted to know what get ratio does, and I can figure out what I want for that. I don't even know if poison needs to have like a fill display. If I
If
wanted it
not.
just to always be full, I would just return 1. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, we'll do that for now. Hi Axel. We can hop on gambling at like 9ish. Or most Biddy gets tired and wants to end the stream earlier.
Oh, did I find the wrong thing? I totally did. Oopsies.
I think I get what this is doing now. Sorry, I'm just like stupid, and it takes me forever to figure out things. But then once I figure out like most of it, I can figure it
Yeah.
out. Usually, sometime. We're not hopping on Magic.
It's like it's
Maybe.
25% still. It should be.
But Axel wanted to play Gamble with your friends, so I'll probably do that for a little bit.
actually- Hold on, let me add something really quickly. Does the player have an audio player on them by chance? Anywhere?
Maybe. Casey hate me? No, I don't hate you.
You. What
That's
are
not
you?
true.
You are audio stream player. This is the footstep temp fix.gd file. That's funny. Holy shit, the spacing in this file is fucked up. You can tell who was in here.
How do I remove a stack? Remove amount?
Yeah.
Stack something? Remove. I just want to remove a stack whenever it ticks.
Yeah. Give me a second.
You're good.
Is there a remove amount function?
There it.
Then yeah, remove amount 1.
Okay.
Let me see. So, audio stream player. There's get playback position. Is this? Let me go back to go into the hub so that I don't get. Okay, so playback position currently is 0. If I walk, I believe that is the current time. I guess this kind of sucks because this is the world's smallest audio stream set. Yeah, it is. Does it have percent? You said that has percent. Or percent. Float max distance. Oh, that's for 2D audio players. Stream playing, playback type, scale panning strength, max. Get playback position. Is this a? I believe that is the. I believe that's the time. So, like for example, we don't have a physics process in here, do we? No, that's okay. I'll add one for debug purposes. This is from the music handler, so this should be printing stuff. Oh, what the fuck was that?
Sorry, that was a sneeze. I was sneezing. It probably just sounded weird through my mic.
It did. It sounded like you got
It
stabbed.
sounded really weird.
What the
Oh.
fuck?
No, I'm okay. What is spread radius and continuous on the effect here? Do I need those for poison?
What the fuck is spread radius?
I don't know. You put it on there.
I don't even think that's being used anywhere. It's also so hard.
It
to
probably isn't, but
It is
whatever
not
else
being
is in there.
used. Well, that's in the fire effect.
Yeah, I'm just copying
yeah,
the
yeah.
fire effect. to
It was because we
poison
were gonna have
effect, and I
fire
wanna know
effect
what
able
it's
to like spread differently.
doing. Okay, yeah. So
yeah, yeah.
remove that. Is continuous necessary? What is that?
Continuous is when you apply it. If it's something like an area that's just on the ground that can continuously apply, you set that to true.
Okay, so I do want that.
Yes, I believe.
It's weird that's not on the base effect, but
Yeah, actually, that doesn't need to exist. Actually, it's not being used on the fire anymore either.
okay.
Tee. Let's see, physics process. So get playback position. There was also, sorry, what the hell was there? There was. Where was the? There was something about the duration. I guess I could just get the stream and then check how long the stream is. Stream.
Okay.
Time.
So I'm
max.
starting to get how the effects work.
Okay.
Yeah, so like no matter how much like explaining you do
Mhm.
of how things work, I will not figure it out until I have to add it myself, and then it will make perfect sense.
Yeah.
Because I'm just like a little dumb.
No, I think that's the normal case actually. I think that's, which I don't like calling you normal, but I believe that is how
I'm
most
pretty
people
regular.
are, is just having an explanation thrown at you doesn't really do much for most people. Also, yes, we do hate you, Moaz. I'm not sorry, but I kind of am. Because that means if JW's hopping on Gamble with your friends, that means we're probably hopping on Magic, which is like kind of the saddest thing in the world.
That's gonna be fire. We're gonna be gambling and playing Magic in the same call at the same time, all at once.
It's like, oops, all gambling. Yeah, okay, so there is...
Exactly.
Yeah, so this does return the current playback position of the song. However, you could do... Also, I don't know why the fuck I made my editor look like this. Sorry. You could get the playback position and the length.
Yeah, let's see if this works. If this works, actually, I should make a gamble themed deck. Actually, you're so right. That would be a fun deck to build. What's the best like gambling commander?
I don't know, man.
It was the Baldur's Gate one that had a lot of dice rolling, right?
Yeah. The Baldur's Gate release definitely had a fuck ton of gambling in it.
Okay, let me know what you find, Moaz.
Okay, yeah, that percent thing works. Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Let me. Where was that print again? That was in
What?
card composite.
Yeah, card composite.
Getting rid of the print. It's annoying me.
I should, like... What if I added multiple save state
I'm so
things?
locked in right now. What was that?
What if
Oh,
I
see,
added
like,
multiple
you could
save
have
state
save
things?
multiple save states.
Yeah.
It just saves it to like an array, so that way you never lose them, and then you can like delete them.
Yeah. That way, like,
Would
I
be
could have,
better.
like, a... Oh, dude, there's people that are in here learning about the game. Let me load the one that doesn't look like shit. and
That's
has a
actually
bunch of
really
cards.
smart. Have one that's like a bunch of pre-made cards that like have cool stickers and things like
Yeah.
that.
Fuck,
Here's
that
what the
means I
game
need to do it
would
right.
look like if it was like actually fun.
That means I have to do it right.
You don't.
It's fine. I probably will because I'm evil. and fucked
Yeah.
up.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, fuck. There was a thing I wanted to do with the I keep like getting sidetracked on things. Streaming is sometimes bad for me because I just like.
What is going?
What's up?
Something really funny is happening with the poison. It's like just instantly disappearing, but if you shoot it fast enough, it'll be really tiny.
Oh,
Like it'll get smaller
Are you
over
applying
time.
the
and I
effect
don't
to it?
know. Yeah.
how much are you applying?
I mean,
I don't know. 1.
1, okay. And then if you go back to the poison handler, where you...
Oh, does it instantly tick? Is it instantly ticking and then disappearing? Is that what's happening?
Yeah, tick runs every frame.
No, I mean like the effect ticking.
I don't know what you mean.
Like the tick time is half a second, but does that trigger instantly?
How are you...
would-
Well, where are you removing the poison from?
Remove amount.
Not on that. Is there anywhere else that you're removing it?
No.
Update amount.
Is this what it was before? I just Is this? What is this? Yeah, I don't think this is really used for much here. Stacks, that's not
can you-
used. Yeah, that was just leftover stuff from the fire.
Can you click on the poison handler? I'm gonna put you on screen as well. Sorry if the screen
This
share
is
goes
the poison
bug in
handler.
mode. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. Try. Are you sure that's
I probably
what
just
it
did
said?
something
Fire
wrong.
effect handler?
Although it's not even, it's like applying the effect and then instantly removing it
Wait,
before it can even trigger
can you go back to
because
the code?
it's not dealing the damage.
Yeah, go back to the code. Current tick time is what? Current tick time is greater than or equal to poison tick time. Sorry, I'm looking at this. Where's current burn time being used again?
Yeah, is it this here where it's
yeah.
recreating it?
Yeah,
So
so
I just
you
remove this.
so you're doing if current poison time is less than 0, you're free.
That was just left over from the fire. I had no clue what that was doing or if it was necessary.
Yeah, so the fire frees itself on the enemy after an amount of time. So that
Yeah,
is doing that
okay.
as well. And since you're not
There we go. Now it's
Yeah.
working. Now it's not freeing itself. Okay. So I just need to say if. So
you can do it in
instead,
the
Oh,
no.
what?
Uh,
and like the set stacks.
yeah.
In the update
the-
stacks, update amount. Okay.
yeah, update amount. If
Yeah, so I can say if current stacks is, we'll say less than 0, just in case.
less than or equal to 0, probably.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait,
less than sign, or is that a greater? Okay.
Don't worry.
No,
about
it's
it.
genuinely hard for me to tell because I don't know. Because
Don't worry about it. Why is that so big, too?
I don't know. What did you do? What's the icon that you're using? Is it the same as?
It's just the regular poison icon. I mean, let me.
Oh. You've looked at an hour-long Godot presentation about rhythm integrated music and ways to implement all
It's
that
8
jazz.
by 8. What is
Fucking
this?
fire.
Oh, it says 15 by 15. Oh wait, this one's exported weird. Yeah.
Yeah, it's because the icon is different than
Export
the logo or whatever, the type icon versus the status effect icon are different things.
Oh, did I do the wrong thing?
You loaded the type
Icon poison. Do I not have that imported?
I don't know. Understand.
Where is it?
Yeah, I
makes
mean,
sense.
if you
I just saw
want help-
poison. I was like, yeah, that's probably the right thing.
Yeah. If you want help about Godot learning, I believe my Discord's on my Twitch, but there's a lot of really good Discord communities where people just like
Biddies is
very
actually the
helpful.
best.
that's probably not true. I'm not gonna say it's not, but it's probably not true. Oh yeah, let me
Status
add that thing in the
effects.
debug menu that
Oh,
I was
there we
talking
go.
about.
No, that should be it. Oh, icon poison. Why is that not showing up when I search for poison?
What? I don't know.
Oh, it is right. Is this it?
Doesn't look like it.
That's saying it's 8 by 8. That's not it. We want
You
icon.
can just drag it from the fucking
poison.
thing down there onto the texture, by the
There we
way.
go. There it is. So we got it.
Okay.
I don't know why it just wasn't showing up in the search when I searched for poison.
Yeah, that looks way more correct.
Okay, there we go. Might change the art on a little bit, but
Hooray.
now see, it'll go up, and then it'll just tick one at a time. Might make the tick time even slower.
Yeah. Yeah. So let's do in the deck.
I feel like that
menu.
definitely feels very different from the fire.
Yeah. I want to add a button in here, which is reload cards.
Like,
what
yeah, if you look at this, it has a
buttons do I have?
DPS of like 25,
Yeah.
which is pretty bad, but that's like the point. Because now it has like 20 poison stacks and something that like makes it explode depending on how many stacks it has.
I'll make this.
If you like
refresh
this,
cards.
oh, you should use the needle gun. Let me know if you hate the sound on it. It took a
Maybe,
little
yeah.
bit
Let me
of
do the. I got some
editing because I know
software
you
going.
hate some of my sounds, and that's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, also another thing I noticed that I should note down
Mm-hmm.
that we'll need to figure out is the glass gun in like the inventory and stuff. It shows the charges as 1. We should have some way to have it show like the infinite icon or something. I'm not 100% sure how we want to do that since it's not
Yeah, it's the same way that we do it on the UI.
weird. Yeah.
I would just do it the
Yeah.
same way on the UI.
Oh, also, I don't know if you can see it on the stream, but when I hover this card and unhover it, the letters like wiggle a little bit.
Yeah, it's because
Like after
the
it
viewport
settles.
size. It's because you have
Oh.
your viewport size, right?
No, it's on high.
It's on high. I don't know.
Everything is high. I don't know.
Yeah,
There's
it's
always
just
something
like it's
weird with
probably
the
just like
font,
some
but it's
snapping
okay.
of the pixels. Because
Oh
of
yeah,
the-
all of them are doing it. Maybe it's
Yeah.
just more noticeable because of the color.
It might be, yeah.
Yeah, they are. They all kind of do it. That's weird. That's fine.
Okay.
I want to figure out why these numbers up here are always fuzzy,
Hmm?
because it's always bothers me.
What are you talking about?
Are they fuzzy for you?
Oh.
Like next to the soul bar?
I don't know. Look at my thing and tell me if they look fuzzy. Because they don't. I don't think they look fuzzy on mine. I'll zoom in and you can look. They look about as crisp as the rest of the.
Yeah, no, mine are fuzzy. I don't know why mine are fuzzy. Like the other numbers aren't.
If you full screen the
Although
game,
the
is it
one
still
up
fuzzy?
here, if I full screen it, but the other ones aren't, which is the weird thing. Yeah, they still are.
Yeah, I don't know. Are they using monospace? Let me
Might not.
stop doing this to me, you fucking evil demon.
Also, these two numbers look like they're different sizes.
Yeah, stop talking, evil demon. Or, don't stop talking, but I need to. I'm trying to code something and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go do this, and then I'm like, oh wait, no, hold up, I need to do this. I have to like keep fucking pulling myself back to the code that I want to do.
Yeah.
Refresh cards. So what I want to do is I want to say for card in card AV dot usable cards. Do these have the resource name? Resource path. I can print that out. Card dot resource path.
Wait, what happens if I add relic? Spicy noodles. Oh, that's sick. I chose both of them.
Shift RCF. That didn't work because I didn't change those. Lol.
Yeah, the ratio on the fire is like how long it has until it like disappears.
Yes. Well, kind of. It is used for the display of the thing, but it's like it had some shit that it needed to do. Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, shit, I accidentally. Oh no, this is right, yeah. Okay, so this does have all of these. So what I'll do is I will say for all of these, I'll say resource loader dot load card dot resource path with the type int of nothing and the cache mode of replace deep. So what this should do is if I go to card AK-47, first I'll add one to my hand. So this is the AK, it has lightning and fire. If I clear my deck, card AK-47. We also need to check. I don't think the AK is copyrighted, but maybe it is. We should like double check on that one if you haven't.
Yeah, probably.
So if I were to
I don't know why my game
add-
is like lagging a bunch right now.
Let me add Doomstat to both of these. And then if I re-add the AK, it doesn't actually have that scaling because it needs to be refreshed. But if I do CF, this should refresh all of them.
Oh,
Yes! And now it works. Cool.
why is my AK currently adding 11 fire to everything?
Because you have 10 spicy noodle. I don't know, man.
No, but that should only apply 1 fire. Is it all of my attacks?
Lol. It is adding. I added the multiply by level, I guess, on accident whenever I was changing it. It's just there's a times
Yeah.
level in there that you can get rid of.
Okay. On spicy noodles?
Yeah. It would also be on the
Yeah.
other one that adds fire, and I don't remember what it was. There's something else that you had that was adding fire that I changed. Okay. Let's check this HW really quickly. So,
Okay.
the thing that I was talking about before, how I can clear like the scaling, save it, and then if I add an AK, you can see that it still has the scaling that I had before. You see how it didn't update this thing? Do you know what I'm saying? JW?
Yeah. No. I don't.
Okay, so I had 3 scalings on this, and then I removed 2 of them, and I added the card to my hand, and it still has these 3 scalings, so I have to restart the game, right?
Oh, yes.
However, if I do C, and then there's this refresh cards button,
Oh, okay.
this will reload all of them, so that now it has the correct scaling. It doesn't update cards in your hand, because those are like different, but if I clear my deck and then add this card back, it has the
Yeah.
correct scaling.
Okay. Yep.
I'm also
Makes
going to add that
sense.
to relics as well, because it'll just be nice to be able to
Yeah.
have something like that.
I'm only seeing the spicy noodles as the one that has times level on it.
Okay, I might have just fucked something up then. There's a decent chance of
Yeah,
that.
that's okay.
Many such, yeah. So let's go to
such way.
menu.tscn. I genuinely love this debug menu so much. It's so sad to think that this game could be developed currently without this debug menu, had I not started working on it.
Yeah. Just know that whatever other games I make are not gonna have debug menus.
Okay, sure. If you think that's the truth, then you can keep believing that.
Yeah. I'm just not gonna add debug menus, so that way you get really annoyed and then add debug menus to them. for
Well, I'm
me.
not gonna. I mean, who knows? I'm probably not working on games with you. Who knows? I don't really want to do that.
Yeah. We know.
You say they're not gonna have debug menus until you go to work on them, and you're like, man, I really wish I had a quick way of doing this. And then you're
Yeah.
like, fuck, dude, Biddy was right.
And then I'm gonna open Dante's 9 and I'm going to copy debug menu.tscn.
Good luck on that one. This has got some evil shit in it.
Yeah. I'll make it better.
Yeah, for sure, dog. Why are we spamming the... UK dog? You good? JW?
But yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. I looked over and I
Okay.
see that you're talking to the guy who makes really gross sounds over and over.
It's not that bad. It's
Ah.
nice.
Yeah, for sure.
gonna do a needle gun only run. It's gonna be terrible because it's gonna do no damage.
That's great. Why is there an error? What in the fucking world? Failed loading
Actually, what
resource. Hard SMG.
Do the effects? What do the effects set their source as?
Hmm?
Like poison, what would its source be when it's like dealing damage?
As it's dealing damage, it has no source.
Okay. Oh, what the hell?
Yeah.
Why do these guys have?
What? They have lasers. You wanted lasers. You said add lasers to them, and I gave them
Yeah.
lasers.
Can they hit me?
Yeah.
No, okay, they just weren't earlier.
Yeah. Yeah, they can hit you.
Kind of fire.
Mm-hmm. It's quite cool.
Also, I just realized this is adding 2 stacks of poison every time I hit them, which is weird.
Is it?
Oh.
What crashed?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
Non-existent function create attack in
Uh-oh.
base nil. Guard instance dot create attack. What?
Who is
Bird box component.
What?
Owner is card ability.
What the fuck?
What?
Hold up. Just do me a favor. I'm gonna say this right now, and I want you to listen to me. Do not hit the close game. Do not hit the play again. Do not hit the continue button.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you. All right. I'm gonna put this on screen, and we're gonna go through this. So click on self in the bottom, like at the, and then go to hover path. What is this?
Oh, it's
I can't read.
salmon.
Oh, it's salmon.
Salmon. I have the salmon item.
Oh, you have the
I-
salmon item.
Yes. Yes. Which spawns salmon.
Salmon are card abilities.
No. I believe it sets its source to the card that it spawns. No, it doesn't set it to the source.
No, go back to the editor. So what's the, if you hover path, can you tell me exactly where this, like what's the hierarchy of this? Underneath
Viewport room 1 salmon herd box component.
salmon. All right, so salmon dot
So room 1
PSN.
salmon.
Salmon is in fact a card ability, yes. All right, salmon is not a,
Yeah.
salmon is a card ability. Her box is attached to it.
Yeah,
Okay, I
but
see
it can
what's
work
going on.
without
Yeah,
having
yeah.
a card.
Yes, so this crash will happen on my side as well. Okay, we're good.
Okay.
We're good.
What's the issue?
The issue is that it's expecting it to have a card attached to it, but it doesn't.
But shouldn't you be able to spawn a salmon? And it
Yeah.
just works?
Mhm.
So why isn't it working?
Because of the changes that I made, so the cards, whenever you create attacks, they pull them.
Oh, this is stuff with the new attack stuff.
yeah, this
Okay.
is the new attack stuff. Oh, that's an interesting one, actually. Hold on. Is this the same salmon that spawned from the salmon portal?
Yes, they're exactly the same.
Exactly the same.
They're just designed in a way that they can just be spawned from anywhere and they work. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, that was from this salmon that
Okay.
spawned.
Is there an easy way to fix that or no?
Yeah. I need to think about this because I didn't think that this would be running as
Yeah.
often as it is, because that's a problem potentially. Because the thing that I said where I wanted the attacks to be created once per card usage rather than every time something is spawned from a card being
I
like
see.
whatevered. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure that this isn't doing something weird with that, which it might be. We'll find out. Okay. That... Card ability. Activate. Attack is created.
We making millions? No, we're making bugs.
Yes, sir.
More specifically, I'm making bugs, and I'm making Bitlytic fix them.
I'm shipping so many things I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Like shipping, like physically shipping, or shipping like shipping games.
Like releasing.
Yeah, because I do know you are doing a lot of game stuff right now, which is cool. Shipping games, let's go. I saw the fishing one. Are there any other ones that you're publicly working on now?
You can keep doing whatever you're doing, by the way, JW. You don't have to wait for me to fix this.
Okay. I mean, I was just
yeah,
messing
you're-
around. with the
Sorry,
game
I
to see
told
how
you
fun
I
stuff
told you
was.
the don't do the thing. I forgot to tell you to you could like close the
Yeah.
game now at that point.
I also wanted to see if the salmon triggered the poison, which I don't think they would, but
They should.
that would be kind of fun. Or no, if the poison triggered the salmon was the one I wanted
Oh
to see.
no, they shouldn't.
Okay. That makes sense. Yeah, that'd be a little insane if it did. Mining and Dwarves Orb Breaker is on Steam. Let me look.
Mining dwarves. Dwarf
Yeah.
Fortress reference.
Mining. Whoa. Rock. So should I just make an incremental game after this and make $1 billion? Is that the solution?
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
What?
Nothing.
What do you mean that's crazy? This does look pretty cool.
It's got the sauce.
It's got the sauce. I am good at the sauce, so
Look at that, dude. Look at that, dude. The way that
and that's the only thing I'm good at, so
I say, oh, it's got the sauce, and JW goes, it does quite have the sauce. Like, you can...
what?
You said, it has
What
the
did I do?
sauce. It does, in fact, have the sauce, I say. I don't know, just the way that you said it is just very, You're very white. But, like,
Okay.
insanely so. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure. This actually looks like kind of cool. I like the idea of this one more, even though it doesn't have a trailer.
Okay. So did that create a new attack? Or what did that
I mean, even minus the money, I feel like an incremental game would just be fun to make just because it's like so simple, relatively, to like other things. But I know absolutely nothing about them. I literally haven't played a single incremental game ever. Simple is sometimes the hardest. That is true, yeah. But yeah, I honestly have no clue what I want to do after this. Not that that'll be anytime soon, but
True.
obviously more game dev stuff, but probably want to do something actually more business focused and like market research stuff.
What the hell?
That's bad phrasing, but basically something that will let me actually make money and live, because I don't want to get a real job.
True. Real.
Not that I don't think this one will be successful, I just think probably could have optimized a little more if I thought about it.
I think this is very funny. I'm sorry. Can you look at this really quickly, JW?
Yeah, let me look. What am I looking at?
I'm gonna spawn some salmon, and I just want you to
Mhm.
see. Let's see if I can get one to do it. Watch this.
No.
Watch this salmon.
Oh, is it going to do?
It just goes flying, and I want you to just watch for that.
That's really funny.
They go fucking launch like just across the entire fucking world. It's
Is
so
that just because
good.
of how I coded it? Isn't it like
It's-
when it?
It bounces off of the thing using like the bounce function in the physics, which if it's a
Yeah,
slope, it
that's
like
really
accelerates
funny.
it. It's very good.
I didn't even think about that. That's great.
Big fan. Ignore
What
the
do you mean this game's gonna
932
print?
debugger.
I don't
or
know
something.
about that. I need to do. The main thing is like marketing. If like once we get to like a demo and Next Fest and stuff, I think we'll have a better idea of how well it'll do. Because right now it's just like we get a few wish lists a day from whatever marketing stuff I do, which is not very much. And like obviously no natural traffic from Steam, so I don't really know like if people actually like it or not. It's basically just like me shoving it at people and hoping they like it. Which generally people do. It's just I feel like it's not a super widely appealing game, so it makes it a little harder to market easily on like shorts and stuff. When do I get a playtest key? Literally right now. There's a playtest on Steam. It is like quite outdated. We're reworking a bunch of stuff, but like if you want to get an idea of how it works, there is a free playtest on Steam, and there's no like requirement to get in. You just automatically get it. When is it reworked? I do want to have a playtest hopefully within like a week or two maybe. That's like a unlikely. I always hope that things will happen faster than they do because we're slow and lazy. But yeah, week or two maybe.
I'll just add this safeguard for now. I will put a to-do here that is once per...
Sure, I will add you on it. It is the playtest is on Steam, but I can message you. Try to remember to message you when we update it.
Yeah.
Let me find you.
Okay, that should be fixed, I think. Hopefully we'll
I
find
don't
out.
think I'm already friends with you. I think I'm friends with Aramis, but not you. CK.
Yeah, because this
Darby.
is a
Mr. Darby.
Darbian.
There you go. Darbian.
Like the Super Mario Bros. Speedrunner on the NES. I don't know, that's
You might
maybe a little too niche.
be
Sorry,
like
my fault.
evil. It's a little too niche.
Yeah. Sorry, my autism came out a little bit too strong there. I was told to load the bases and I hit a home run. My fault.
Alright.
He doesn't get this one either.
I don't get this one either. I don't know what baseball is.
Yep, he's never heard of baseball. Okay, what was I doing, JW? What else am I doing?
That's a good question.
What are we doing?
Elemental item types.
That's done.
Do they affect the elemental affinity?
They should. Yeah.
Okay. Damage types on
Yep.
Hey, you got that?
Mhm.
Okay. In that case, how would I add that to say the salmon item? If I want that to trigger on, let's see, salmon, relic
What do you trigger
salmon.
on?
I want this to only trigger on lightning damage hitting.
Oh.
So would I just say like if? Oh,
yeah,
well,
let
it
me
has
push
the
this up.
attack here. So would I just say?
Yeah, let me
You can go and
this
push it up, and I'll figure it out. That way I can see what you're doing, and
Mhm.
I don't have to just like.
It's like pretty
guess.
straightforward. The
Okay.
attack has a function that is like has whatever.
Okay. Yeah.
And you can just like pass in the type. Hopefully.
Sounds good.
We'll find out. If not. I'm also passing up the safeguard for the thing that you just had, the issue.
Okay.
I'm also pushing up a change to this because fuck you.
Gar. And I may end stream soon because I have to gamble with my friends.
Yeah, that's true. With your friend.
With my friend.
Singular.
Maybe friends.
One friend.
Hypo might join.
Oh, yeah, that was the one friend I meant. Because it was Axel as well, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so just one
Yeah,
friend
you're right.
though.
Just one friend. Yeah. Yeah.
Elemental attack stuff. JW said the curse words. JW's always saying cursed words. He's always like 6, 7,
6, 7. Sorry.
yeah, see. Anyways, there you go. It's pushed up. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Okay. I got this.
I should like hella make sure that works.
Can't you not wait for Dante 9 to release in 2 years?
I can't wait for Dante's.
You mean
Mind
there are
release.
unresolved conflicts in the working directory?
It's
Stop
because of-
lying to me.
There are.
Well, there aren't.
Yep.
Where?
I don't know. Couldn't you merged SMG? SMG's merged. You haven't committed that though.
Oh, do I have to commit it? for
Yeah,
it
whenever
to
you
work?
merge something, you have to like commit it. You don't have to commit.
Oh,
You don't have
okay.
to commit to everything, but like specifically SMG because it has a merge conflict. It's not considered resolved.
There you go. What? 5 conflicts. Oh, it's this. Yeah, I know it is.
Yep. It's the card composite file.
Yeah.
Because I hate the way that you
so
wrote that code, so I made it
joke in here.
the slightest amount better.
So I should accept current change.
No.
Incoming change.
Yeah.
Okay.
All I did was I dragged out the thing into a variable called elemental types instead of doing instance.card.elementaltypes.has.
Okay. That's literally fine, but whatever.
It's not. It's evil as fuck is what it is.
I am a little evil, but that's okay.
JW, I bet you've never even played Dark Cloud 2 for the PlayStation 2.
I don't even know what a PlayStation 2 is.
See what I'm talking about? Shit, apparently I lied about something, lol. Wait, what? Attempted to append array of type. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I'm stupid and dumb. So stupid and dumb. Alright, I fixed it. Lol. I'm gonna have to commit one more thing up, sorry. You won't have to restart the game though.
Wait, what did you do? Did you mess something up?
That's fine, yeah.
Oh, you're so evil.
Here. Alright. Oh no, there's so no. No, you pushed changes. Fuck.
What did I do?
Fixed? Oh, card AK-47, get the fuck out of here, dude. I don't care. Just pull the changes. Operation pull my finger. Alright, there you go. You're safe to pull changes.
I'm pulling it.
Yeah.
So I go here. And then, oh, it's not gonna like yell at me that stuff is new? Okay.
No, it was just one file that I changed. Like,
Oh.
I just changed like a line of code to save keys instead of values.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This should be, yeah, these guys, this has a fire attack on it. The op should also have fire attack. Correct. And brick doesn't.
But yes, I want to change to Salmon Storm, Salmon, Relic, Salmon Storm.
Relic Salmon Storm?
No, that's not what it's called. Relic Salmon.
Why'd you say Relic Salmon
You know what I
Storm?
said.
Why'd you say Relic Salmon Storm?
Don't worry about it.
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden.
Why did you say
Sorry.
Relic Salmon Storm? Holy shit, dude. There's modern art on my other screen right now. Fuck, I need to take a screenshot, thank you. I don't know what it is about this. Look at this modern art. It's so
Wait,
beautiful.
is the type... Why does it look like that?
Mhm.
Is it just lightning stat? Is
Yeah.
the type lit?
Mhm.
Okay.
I thought I made it clear enough by the way the name was stat type.
Well, it just says has type, so like...
Yeah, it has type and the parameter name is stat type.
Well, like, I didn't see that, because
You should-
obviously I don't
what?
pay attention to things.
What do you mean you didn't see it? Whenever you go to type
I mean,
in-
it was there. I didn't see it.
Yeah, like it just says like stat type, GD script. Yeah, whatever, man, it's fine.
Have you met me? I like literally don't see anything.
This is true. Up on tabletop? Dogs greater than cats? Do you want to be like killed? What the hell?
Yeah, maybe. So we got needle, which is not lightning,
Mhm.
and then we have which one is lightning? SMG is
G,
lightning.
probably, yeah.
And then we give us a few salmon. So let's see if we do this. No salmon. And then if we do this, a salmon.
Yeah, dude. See?
That's kind of fire.
Yeah, shit's easy, dude. I be like making shit where
Yeah.
it has been nuked. Yeah, dude.
I really like the needle
I mean-
gun actually.
I'm not gonna nuke you for having like a wrong opinion. Unless that opinion is like Unreal Engine is a good game engine. Can't see Schlorp.
Oh, am I on Vision? My
Are you
bad,
on-
gang. My bad.
Oh my god. I'm not even doing anything. I'm just sitting
No,
here.
sorry. I was scrolling Instagram earlier, so I had to put you
Oh
on
my
Vision.
god. He be doing this shit all the time.
It's okay. I was like looking for marketing inspiration, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
But anyways, lazy. We changed stuff. So now there's damage types. So I have, where'd it go? Needle gun, which is poison, as you can see with a little tag. And then when I shoot things with this, it'll deal poison. It specifically because of this gun, it will poison things. Not all poison damage poisons things.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little confusing. We probably need to figure out a good way to make sure that doesn't get confused. But it's probably fine. People will figure it out.
Well, it probably. I mean, do you have anything in the description that says applies a poison on hit?
Not currently, but it will.
Yeah. I mean, we could take the magic approach and add like add what the fuck is it? Like keywords. Call it like toxic, and then it's like in parentheses applies poison on hit.
That could be cool. But also we now have since we have damage types, certain items will only trigger on certain damage type hits. So the salmon here will only trigger on lightning damage type hit. So now this will give me a bunch of salmon. But then if I switch to the needle gun, it won't give me any salmon because it's poison type.
It's very easy to see that it's not
But-
spawning salmon, despite the fact that there are 50 salmon on the screen.
Yeah, and then if I get me like, I think this one's lightning as well. Yeah, if I do this,
Oh, I guess
it'll
that
give
makes
me a
sense,
bunch of salmon as well.
Wait, the
And
rapier
then
slows down
this
time,
one.
right?
A little bit, yeah. It sounds kind of weird. I should probably have a not slow down time, but that's okay.
Correct, yeah. I thought that we got rid of that at some point, but I just saw it happening on your screen. And I was like, holy shit, it slows down time.
Yeah. But either way, yeah.
JW.
Poison doesn't summon salmon. Yes. Poison does not summon salmon.
JW.
This item only triggers when you hit things with lightning damage. Yes.
Do me a favor.
What?
Clear your deck. Shift RCC.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Add a card.
Uh-huh.
I want you to add Beehive and Rapier.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be funny, isn't it?
Yeah, set your mana to infinite if you haven't. Oh yeah.
It already is.
Okay, and then hold Rapier and just spam, like hold it down.
This sounds so funny.
It's good. It's good.
And yeah, we'll definitely have items that will like summon things when you hit things with poison damage. It just won't be the salmon. Because basically you'll generally want to build into like one or two different types. So that way when not every item will necessarily be useful at all times. Because if this triggered on all type hits, then you would pretty much just always want to pick it to be really good, just that when you hit anything, it spawns salmon. But if it's only lightning, then it really only works well if you have a decent number of cards that deal lightning damage.
The hitbox on this is not as generous as I feel like it should be.
On what? Yeah, it probably. Yeah, you're right. I've wanted to rework
Oh
this
yeah,
a little bit.
yeah. The hitbox is like hella off.
Yeah.
I also feel like this itself, as it goes out, could have a hitbox, like the thing, so that as you're moving away. Oh yeah, having this thing slows down time is ooh.
Yeah, it feels really gross. Yeah.
No, the hitbox is actually so not generous at all.
Yeah. So I need some work.
It's a very cool card idea, but yeah, no, it does suck a little bit. Let's see. What other?
And sorry, I forget. Did you add the critical chance and critical
Yep.
damage?
Mhm.
Okay. Where do I change those?
What do you mean? Where do you change them for what? What do you
Like,
change them?
if I want to change the default value, or if I want
Player
to add
data.
like a player data. Okay.
Player data is where the current critical damage is. If you want to add critical stat, you can either add it to the card or to the player.
Okay, so it's here. So crit chance by default is 20% and damage is 200%.
Oh shit! Wait,
Yeah.
hold on. Maybe it doesn't matter actually, but I feel like that should actually probably be a above everything there, but
Maybe.
maybe fine.
The other thing is this may also we may also want a different place to put this, or I'm not sure how we want to do it.
Why?
Because if we have like decks that give you different starting crit chances or crit
Mhm.
damages, I'm not sure where we would set that.
There.
Okay, sure.
Because players,
just-
this is the like the whenever you add something to the player, whenever you do something to the player in like the grand context of like not needing a reference to the player, like
Mhm.
like whenever we move between levels, this takes care of re-adding the relics to the player.
Oh, so it does this like every time. Okay.
Yes, this is like a persistent thing. Whenever we
Yeah,
restart
so
the
if we
game, this
had,
gets
like,
reset up. This is like
If we had like a current deck
yes.
variable in here or something,
Mhm.
it could pull from that. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that makes
register
sense.
player is called every time you move to a new level, which includes the first time you drop into the level.
Yeah. So we could say like we could have a resource that's like the deck.
Yes.
I don't know if it would be a resource or something. Probably a resource.
Probably a resource.
That would store like the crit chance, crit damage, all that stuff. And
yeah,
then
or
whenever it runs this, it would just say current deck dot crit chance equal to whatever.
Yep.
Or we could even have
Probably
I'm not sure how
modifiers.
practical that would be.
I would say probably
But yeah,
like a
it'd probably
list
just
of
be like a
properties.
list of exactly. A list of properties that it would go through and change.
Yep.
Depending on the deck.
Yep, and if the property's not present, it could just use default or whatever. But yeah, no,
Yeah.
that's so. This also doesn't, as you can see on lines 78 and 81,
Mhm.
we are getting the component off of the player.
Yeah.
So if you wanted to add crit chance to the player, you would do that by getting the player's crit chance property and adding a source to it.
Yeah, okay. Cool. So I'm gonna I
Mhm.
think the default should be like 10%, and the default damage should be maybe like
Yeah, I mean, do whatever you want with it.
125%,
That sounds
150.
not a lot. I would say at least 150, 125.
Yeah, well the
sounds
thing is it
max.
should be low to start because you're not always building into crits.
Yeah, but a crit should still feel kind of good. I feel like
Uh,
if a crit was set to 125%, that is not very much more damage. Like that's
I'm opening Saphiria. Actually, do I have the I just want to see what their thing is. Because
Okay.
that obviously is whatever is correct.
for sure.
I have a screenshot of it somewhere down in here.
Opening this up on main monitor while streaming is crazy work, but
Yeah, it is. I know, I'm so crazy. Oh, that's my personal information.
yeah, no, opening this up on stream is kind of crazy work.
I'm just kidding.
Why
Twins
do you say-
9-1 gamble?
I'm
Yeah, we
just kidding.
gamble soon.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, yeah, crit damage is 50%, critical chance is...
Yeah.
this is 0%, but that's because the character I'm playing. So yeah,
Yep.
150 sounds probably good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to make sure that's a Fury.
Yeah,
agreed with
125
what you were
sounds
saying
like
before I
fucking
changed it.
pathetic crits. At that point, like it just
Yeah.
shouldn't be in the game.
I mean, I guess the crit chance could also be really low to start.
I think 10% is fine, probably.
Yeah, 10% is probably fine, but yeah.
On guard type shit.
I mean, I think in Saphiria, it might start at 0, or it might start at like 5. It's like really low. I'm pretty sure it starts at 0.
Yeah, I mean, we don't have to
The
copy
crit chance.
Superior as well.
Yeah, but
Flip.
yeah, you're right.
I think we should just my potential idea for this is I think that we play around with it and find what feels best and work off of that.
No, I think we should just copy Saphiria.
I guess that's true. They already figured it out. Might as well.
They did.
Oh, that was weird. That felt weird.
Anyways, I do need to go gamble with my friend, so
I thought you said Hyper was maybe joining.
I need to maybe go play with my friend. Let me go and ping Hypo.
Dude, I love box boosting so much. It's so stupid and fun. Like, you go so high. Wait, the box. Oh yeah, the box does bounce off the wall. I forgot about that.
Okay. Are you still working on stuff?
No,
Okay.
I'm boxing across the hub.
Good night, everybody.
That's the whole thing. That's just the everything.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's everything. It's over. It's all over.
Dude, boxing goes
All
great.
over. What is it doing?
It's so fun.
It is kind of fun, yeah. It's a little stupid, but it's fun.
It's also fun because
We should make the box like really good for something. I don't know what, but moist bitty ending. What does that mean?
moist bitty ending is crazy. I don't know what that could ever mean, but I
I
don't
mean
like it.
moist JW. What are we saying?
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Critical. If you needed a simple idea explained to you, but it has to include penis, that's my videos. It's
Okay.
fucking
Anyways,
terrible, man. It's terrible.
I need to go gamble. So
Yeah. Anyways,
good night,
all right.
everybody.
Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for hanging out. We will be back on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. EST, where we will be doing more game development. We do we do want to have a playtest update in the next week. Apparently, this is news to me, but maybe.
That week or two, probably. I mean, I just want to have like the elemental stuff for people to mess with and see how they like
Yeah.
it.
All right. But anyways, we will catch you guys later. Good night.